Well, it's a beautiful day at Roost Vans, and we're going over one of our latest builds, Golonka. What we ended up doing on this 2024 Mercedes four-wheel drive Sprinter van is a full build. Put a couple of articulating tables in the front using the factory swivel seats. We also put in an overhead shelf, upper cabinetry, our standardized mounting system, as well as upper paneling kit, mid paneling kit, and a lower paneling kit. Now we have a power station box where we installed the Goal Zero power station right beside our kitchen sink cabinet, and we did a little customization on this guy where we extended the skirt of the cabinet out so that you had a little bit more room for the sink and the burner. And you can see how that overhangs a little bit because this 3.2 Vitrifrigo fridge that we installed a bamboo veneer on top of takes up the entire height of that kitchen cabinet system. Now we also went ahead and installed a Transit two-person passenger side bench that perfectly overhangs right into the wheel well here. Now this is a removable seat and they can take it out when they need. You'll see the 20-gallon over the wheel well water tank that feeds the sink, as well as the out the back heated shower system that we installed. Went ahead and put in a couple upper cabinets and a mid shelf, as well as flare spaces on both sides. Guys over at Flare Space helped us out with providing a flare space for each side and the trim rings, and we finished that out with the fabric wrapping inside. Now we have our 2.5 panel flip-up kit bed system that has a flip-up on the front and the back, and what we do is we customize that mid panel to be a half panel, and then that gives just a little bit better usage of layout space and utilizing those flare space inserts. And you can see in the back we had that rear flip-up panel on our Fuket bed system, and as I had mentioned before, the hot out the door rear shower. Now those are all lined up on felt line storage tracks, and then that just drops right in, and now you have a great heated shower at the back of the van. Also, the felt line storage tracks on the side of the kitchen cabinet here and up there, as well as underneath the bed system here and here. That's where you store these articulating tabletops. Another great build at Roost Vans here in Portland, Oregon. Hop on our website, drop us a line. Be happy to do the same for you.